You want to add your second color?
Yeah.
The orange?
Yeah.
Okay. When I say go. On 3, 2. Arjun just poured it all in.
Welcome to Ahan Toys review.
Hey guys! Today we're gonna make cloud slime. If you watched the last video, we had a lot of fun making instant snow. If you didn't watch that video yet, go watch it now. And since we have some instant snow from our last video, we decided we're gonna make some cloud slime. All you need to make cloud slime is some glue, some activator, and of course, instant snow in a big bowl or a small bowl. A bowl. And if you want, you also need some food coloring. So let's get right to making this awesome slime. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe and like. Yeah, let's go! Bang that subscribe button. First, we gotta make some slime, normal slime. So we have some glue and we're gonna pour it into our bowl. Okay, Arjun, pour your glue into your bowl. Ah, here the glue comes, Mr. Bowl. I hope you have a sticky life. Oh, it's just like a pig. What? It's literally just a pig in here. This is a pigging bottle. It's a piggy bottle. As you can see, we've got all the glue in. And now it's time to add the activator right here. But before we add the activator, we'd like to add some color. Arjun is gonna make teal, and I'm gonna make orange. So I've got my yellow food coloring and red food coloring. Arjun's already added his food coloring, so he's gonna mix. And I'm gonna have my yellow. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And my red, 2 drops. And 3 drops. Oh, look at Arjun's! It's like a minty green teal color. Minty green teal. Yeah. And I'm ready to mix mine and see if it makes orange. Yahoo! Look at that color mix. The edges of the blue. Look at this. I'm making a pink. I think I need to add more red. Look at that, starting to form an orange color. Whoa, look at that. It's not orange, but it's like a peach color. It's not pink or orange. It's somewhere between that, like a peachish color. Look at that. Now it's time to add the activator! So open the lid, add your drop. Add some in and then mix it and add some more in and mix. Whoa, look at Arjun's. Mine is starting to get thicker. Like, see that? It's kind of broken. Okay, I'm gonna add some more activator. Okay, mix! I'm gonna more activator. To turn like if you guys see here, it's like a balloon. It looks like a pop balloon texture, kind of.
No, mine is getting clay.
Oh yeah, look at that! It's turning into slime, but
mine is too.
I think we'll need more activator, though. But let's see after we mix for some time. As you can see, it's almost slime. But now it's time to add the instant snow! Right now it's kind of like fluffy slime. Look at that. It's kind of like fluffy slime. so big.
Okay, let's add
Instant snow! I'm gonna add my blue snow.
First, I'm gonna add my green snow.
Ready, Arjun?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at that! It just covered up all the slime. Time to mix. Holy moly, look at that. That's a lot. I don't know if that was too much or it was enough. Come on, orange slime, turn into cloud slime. So I can throw you in the air and you can become a cloud. Stuck to my fingers. Cloudy. Come on. I know, I believe in you, cloud slime. Look at Arjun. Flip. I'm gonna flip and Arjun's gonna do small, tiny flips. While I do big flips. Up, yep, did it up, and up. Hey! Well, let's hope we do good for the pink one. Pink! Or if you watched our last video, the red one. Oh, look at that, Arjun. Cloud slime. You wanna add your second color?
Yeah.
The orange? Yeah. Okay. When I say go. On 3, 2. Arjun just poured it all in. Before I said go. Well, go. Oh, look at all that.
Look at it all this.
I think it can take some more snow, but we're out of snow. So yeah. Now it's time to put our slime on the table. Oh yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, look at Arjun's cloud slime. And I could also play with my slime for years without stopping. Oh, slime. It doesn't have like a crunchy texture. It has like something between crunchy and like bumpy. It has something between like crunchy and bumpy texture. But Arjun's came very well. Look at that cloud slime. Insanely awesome cloud slime. Oh. Okay, Arjun. Show us your green butter, which I think has been spoiled for years. Look at that. Can I try, Arjun?
Yeah.
Thanks. Let's get the green slime off so it doesn't mix. First of all, okay. Takes this edge and look at that. It's just like butter. So awesome. Just like butter. Yeah, Jun, you can have it.
I want to cut this one.
What? You want to cut your slime? Why? Why do you want to cut your slime, Arjun? Oh, spider webs. Look in between Arjun's fingers. They're just like spider webs.
Look at here.
Yeah, Arjun. And this slime is like very stretchy. When you make cloud slime and it's all done and you stretch it and makes like spider webs, that means you have good cloud slime. Just like Arjun's. Mine? I don't really think so. No. But at least I have some fluffy slime, which has a cool texture somewhere between bumpy and rough. And look at that. It's so stretchy. Holy moly. Now, wait, Arjun's slime is green. It's Spider Hulk from Slimeatopia. Thank you for watching. And also turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any new updates. make maroonish peach slime with a really cool texture. Bye! And see you soon with another awesome video! To have more entertainment, please click on one of these videos.